Welcome to the English Language Teaching System Contemporary Molikish Academy. This is Mamta in-house answer and today I'm your practice examiner. The examiner code is STTO223 and candidate code is STTO223139. So good morning.
Good morning.
How do you do?
I'm great.
Okay. Can I know your full name?
My full name is Anima Siddhika, but you can call me Anima.
Okay, Anima, your main test is divided into three parts. Beginning the main test, I will ask you some personal question about yourself. Are you ready?
Yes.
So my first question is, how do you come from?
I have come from Nipur, Dhaka.
Do you study or work?
I'm a student and I study.
So which subject do you like or love most?
I like the math and science the most
And
because
in
I think
future,
that it will be very much needed in the future.
no, so in future you will choose these subjects.
Yes, I'll choose that.
Okay. So let's move to your main test, and the first part is about leisure. So my first question is, do you have any hobbies or interests?
Yes, I have a lot of hobbies and interested, but all from them, my favorite hobby and interested is riding bike and also drawing.
Okay. How did you become interested in?
So you know, when my cousin comes into our house, we often just play and do drawing together, and also it is a very good exercise for my eyes. And if I talk about the riding bicycle, so we also like ride bicycle with my friends and also my siblings. I like to ride bicycle every evening. We go to the field that is behind our house and we ride bicycle there, and I enjoy it very much.
Well, good. So, what is there to do in your free time in your hometown or village?
Okay, so in the hometown or village, there is a lot of thing to do, but the most thing that I do in my free time that I play with my cousins and craft anything with them, and also sometimes we watch movies, and also uh, we in the evening we just go to the yard and we just talk with them all, and that's how I just pass my free time.
Okay. How do you usually spend your free holidays?
So mostly in holidays we go out for that, but when I'm in home, I just craft many things and also make a wall hanger for my room, decorate my room, and or I just write a book or story kind of, and that's how I just spend my holidays.
Okay. Is there anywhere you would particularly like to visit?
Yes, there are many places that I particularly like to visit, but the place that really want to go is Germany, because it is a very beautiful place and also country. And in the country, there is no tuition cost. You don't have to pay for that, and also for the if you like go to the doctor, then you don't have to pay that, and I like it very much. And also, the country is very much neat and clean and very much securityful. So that's why I want to really go there.
Ah, it's similar to me. So that's the end of your part one, and let's move to the part two. In this part, I will give you a cue card and you have to talk about a topic given in the cue card for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about this topic. So here is your cue card and here a paper and a pen. You can note something if you wish. So your time starts now. So your time is up, and now you can start.
So I'm going to describe a scene that I like. So that is the Bay of Bengal. It is situated in the middle of the Myanmar, South India, and Bangladesh, and it is one of the largest sea. And also, the nearby land of the Bay of Bengal is the Cox's Bazar. Most of the people know this, and also it is a very beautiful land. There is like a land. There are many trees, like forests, many resort buildings, and also I like that very much. And there is another island that I like is Saint Martin. It is situated close to the Myanmar, and also it is a very small island. There are many trees, like it is a forest kind of, and there are many rocks nearby the island. And also in the island, the most favorite thing of mine is there my seafoods, and I like to eat seafoods like this lobster, crab, and also um, that the thing that is the there are many kind of small houses and also resort. The resort is very beautiful in there. They're small, but it's very like openly, and that's why I like that so much.
Okay, so that is the end of part two. Can you get take the cue card? Thank you very much. Now let's move to the part three. In this part, I will ask you some questions about two topics. So my first topic is water-based leisure activities. And my first question is, what do people enjoy doing when they visit rivers, lakes, or the sea? Why do you think these activities are popular?
Okay, so first I'm gonna talk about the lake. So it is mostly seen in the village. There is a lake beside every houses, and also in the lake, most of the people just wash their dishes, clothes, and swim there, and also they bath, they enjoy there like that. And if we talk about the river, in Bangladesh there are three biggest rivers, that is Pomta, Meghna, Jamuna, and also when people go to the river, they mostly just enjoy that is sit around the river or just walk around or take a ride on a boat by the river like that. And also if there is like any kind of cafeteria, they go there. And if I talk about the sea, there is a lot of things to do that you know people enjoy there a lot. They, the kid there make castle by the sand, and also swim there, dive there, and it is a very like they enjoy the sunset. There is a lot of thing to do. They just make like kind of camp there, and they make a party, barbecue party like that.
Okay. What benefits do you think people get from the activities they enjoy in the water?
Okay, so they got a lot of benefit by enjoying the water. If they just swim there, then they just it will be practice for them, and also swimming it is a very good exercise for us. Most of the people, the kids especially, they swim from their young age. It will be very benefit for them if there are many like natural disaster, then they can just swim, and I think that the benefit are like that.
Okay. What are the different advantages of going to the sea or to a swimming pool to enjoy yourself? What do you think the disadvantages are?
Okay, so there are many advantages to like going to a pool and a sea. And first, if we talk about the advantage of going to a pool, then most of the people go to the pool when they want to learn swimming, or if there is like a shortcut to go to the pool, and also that is the advantage there. The most of the time that we can see that in the like sea, the water is a little bit salty, but also it is very good for swimming. And they can dive there. They can also make castle by sand. They can do many things, sunset like that. And I think it's good to swim in like sea rather than a pool.
Okay, so let's move to the second topic. My second topic is water transport. And the question is, how does the water transport, like boats or and ships, compare with other kinds? Are there any advantages or disadvantages of water transport?
Yes, there are many kind of advantage and disadvantage to that. If we talk about the advantage, if you go in a boat or like kind of water transportation, you'll go very much enjoyingly, and also you can just walk around in the boat, or in the ships, and they can handle much more loads than other transportations, and you can go there very much enjoyingly. But if we talk about the disadvantage, that is that you like go in a boat or ship, then it will take much time than it normally takes in a normal transportation. It will go very much slowly, and also there are the risks that if there is any natural disaster, then you can it is very much risk for that. And also you don't know that when the like disaster is coming from, or where. That's I think that is the advantage and that is the.
Okay, thank you very much for giving your valuable time. That is the end of your speaking interest.